My dear student, hello from Spoorthi Navodaya Coaching Center Complete. Myself Viresh sir. I am teaching math subject in Spoorthi Navodaya Coaching Center Complete. Here state level Spoorthi Genius Award examination will conduct this month 29/3/2026. Place of the exam Hospete Road, Yellama Camp, Complete. Okay, there are attractive prizes are there. First prize 15,000 cash prize, second prize 10,000 cash prize, and third prize 5,000 cash prize. And apart from that, students who are getting highest marks in the examination will get a fees concession if you want to take coaching in our center complete. Okay, today we are to discuss about the possible questions from math section. Let us see the first question. The number obtained on subtracting the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is how much? Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Smallest 4-digit number is smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 4-digit number by the largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Subtracting means here 99,999. You have to subtract the smallest 4-digit number. What you will get? 9 minus 1 8 9. 98,999. Here 98,999 is the C option is the right one. Okay, let us move to the question number second. Here the sum of two numbers they are given. The sum of two numbers 92,000. 92,087. Sum of two numbers is given. One number they are given. You have to find the another number means you have to subtract one number from this. You will get another number. The one number is 34,629. If you subtract that number, you will get another number. See, 7 minus 9 does not happen. You borrow, carry from this number. 17 minus 9, 8, 8 minus 3, 5, 10 minus 6, 4, 2, 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 4, 5. 57,458. Here, option A is 57,468. It is wrong one. Option B, 57,458 is the right answer. Okay, let us move to the question number third. Student, you read question properly, then you will get how to write the answer for that question. This question is in series. First, you have to observe number 1 and number 2, number 3. From number 1 to number 2, there is a 400 increase in second number, and third number again 400 increase. That means, see, here series is like this: 4,400. Next digit 4,800. Next digit 5,200. Next fill in the blanks and next fill in the blanks. See, first number to second number 4,400 to 4,800 means 400 increase. Next 400 increase to second number, you will get 5,200. Next 400 increase to next number, you will get 5,600. Next again 400 if you increase, you will get 6,000. See, filling numbers are 5,600 and 6,000. Here in option it is not there. Option A it is not there. Option B it is also wrong. Option C here 5,600 and 6,000 is there. Therefore, option C is the right answer. Okay, let us move to the question. Next question. angle formed by the ends of this clock. They are asking like this. Here it is a one circle. One circle is equal to 360 degree. From one minute end, it is a 15 degree. 15 plus 15, 30. 30 no, 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus 30, 150. 150 degree is obtuse angle. It is because it is greater than 90. It is greater than 90 and less than 180 degree. Therefore, it is obtuse angle. This obtuse angle. Here 150 degree is there. Here total 360 degree. Each minute end carry 30 degree. 30 degree, 12 to 1, 30 degree, and 1 to again 60 degree, 90 degree, 90 plus 1 120 degree, 120 plus 30 degree, 150 degree. It is more than 90, less than 180 degree. So it is obtuse angle. We move to the question number next question 5. See question, very easy question is there. Ravi has 95.25 rupee. See, Ravi having 95.25 rupee. He buys a book by paying rupees 22.25. He is having a money 95.25, but he is buying he buys a book by paying this much of money, 22.25 rupees. How much money he will left means you have to subtract here. 5 minus 5, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. In the place of point is there. 5 minus 2, 3. 9 minus 2, 7. 73 rupees he has left. Here in first option 74 is there. It is wrong one. And second option 73 is there. Therefore, the second option is correct. Understand this, student? Okay. Next, we move to the question. Next question. Let us see the next question. The time shows railway station clock is 1910. 1910. This is railway time. The same can be indicated in 12 hours clock means you have to subtract 12 from this. You will get hour clock, 12 hours clock time you will get. See 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 1 minus 1, 0. 7 minus 10. After the 12, it becomes post meridian. It is PM. 7:10 PM. Here 7:10 AM is there. It is not the correct one. First option 7:10 PM is the correct answer. Okay. Next, move to the next question. Okay. Naina brings 2 kg 500 gram tomato. See what she brings. Naina brings 2 kg 500 gram tomato and 1 kg 650 gram carrot. 1 kg 650 gram carrot from carrot. Then the total means what you have to do? Total means you have to add these two. What you will get? 0, 5, 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 kg 150 gram. See, you see the options here. The first option 4 kg 50 gram. It is not the correct one. Second option 4 kg 150 gram. Yes, 4 kg 150 gram. Here third option 4 kg 100 gram. It is not correct. Fourth option 3 kg 150 gram. It is not the correct one. Therefore, the second option is the right one. We move to the next question. Here it is Bodmer's rule. See, this question based on Bodmer's rule. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Here brackets are not there. Op is also not there. First, you have to make it division. Let us see how you have to solve this. 6 plus 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 2 is there. Okay. First, you have to make it a division. Here, I will mark here. Okay. This you have to put as it is. 6 plus 3 into, put as it is. 8 divided by 4 means, 8 divided by 4 means 4 ones are 4 twos are plus 2. Okay. Next 6 plus, next multiplication is there. Here 3 twos are 6. Again plus 2. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Here the first option 18 is not the correct. Second option 14 is the correct one. C is 0, it is wrong one. D option 15, it is the wrong. Therefore, the second option 14 is the correct. Okay, we move to the question now. Next question. The length of one edge of a square plot is 38 meter. Here, square plot is there. Here in square, all sides are equal. The side of the square is 38 meter. It is also 38 meter. 38 meter. Perimeter they are asking. Perimeter means sum of all these sides. Here, how many sides are there? In square, 4 sides are there. Therefore, perimeter you will get. Perimeter is equal to 4 into sides. 4 into side. 4 into 38. Okay. 4 8s are 32. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 152. Here, meter is there. You have to put the meter. 152 meter. Here, first option 122 meter. It is not the correct. Second option 152 meter. It is the right one. C option 142. It is wrong. D option 1444 meter. It is also wrong. This, like this, you have to solve the problems. Then you will get good marks. If you read the question properly, then you are able to solve the question. Okay. Next, we move to the next question. Okay. Your question is like this. If a bus covers 840 kilometers in a 15 hours, how many kilometers does the same bus travel in 1 hour? They are asking. It is solved by unitary method question. It is in 15 hours. In 15 hours, bus travels how many kilometers here? Question like this. 840 kilometers. In 15 hours, bus travels 840 kilometers. Okay. Question what they are asking. In 1 hour, how much they will travels? How much they travels means 1 hour? Question mark. Unitary method. Cross multiplication. 1 into 840 divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 5s are 75. 9 remains. 15 6s are 56 into 1. 56. Here unit kilometer is there. So in the place of kilometer, you will get kilometer only. 56 kilometer. First option 65. It is wrong one. Second option 15. It is also wrong. Third option 46. It is also wrong. Fourth option is 56 kilometer is the correct answer. Okay. We move to the question. Next question. Ramya as rupees 18,640. Ramya having a rupee. Ramya having a rupee 18,640 rupees. What she has to do? She bought a pair of dresses. She has bought a pair of dresses for how much rupee? 6,815 rupees. So what they are asking question? How much money does she have left? Left means you have to subtract. Here 0 minus 5 not happen. Take borrow from previous number, you will get 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 2 2, and 16 minus 8 8, 8 minus 7 1, and 1. 11,825 rupees. Here in the first option 11,925 is there, it is not correct. In second option 11,825 is there, yes, 11,825 is the right one. Here in third option 12,825 is there, it is not correct. In fourth option 11,725 is there, it is also wrong. Like this you have to solve the question. First you read question properly, then you are able to solve the problems like this. Otherwise you may get confused, leads into wrong result. Okay, next move to the next question. Here next question, 12.3 meter of cloth is required to sew one frock. For one frock how much cloth is needed? See, for one frock 12.3 meter cloth is needed for one frock. She is required to sew 15 frocks the same size. How much cloth she needs? 15 frocks? Question mark. Okay, 15 into 12.3, here divided by 1. 15 3s are 45, 15 2s are 30, 34, 15 1s are 15, plus 3 18. Here after the 1 point is there, 184.5 meter. Here options 184.5 meter. Here wrong options are given. Wrong options, they are given wrong. Therefore, it is 184.5 meter. Okay. From mistakenly they are given a wrong option. So answer is 184.5 meter. Here 12.3 for one frock. No, 3 meter. Only 3 meter. Question number 12. Okay. Again you have to solve this question. Here, sorry, question number 12 is there. 3 meter of cloth is required to sew one frock. For one frock, 3 meter. 15 frock. 15 frock. How much? It is unitary method by cross multiplication. You have to solve it by cross multiplication also. 15 into 3 divided by 1. 15 3s are 45. Here in the place of meter, we will get meter only. Okay, 45 meter. Here first option 57 meter, wrong one. Second option 1200 centimeter, it is also wrong. Third option 45 meter. It is the right one. Fourth option, 12 meter. It is also wrong. Okay, we move to the next question. Okay, see the question carefully. A furniture shop list price of dining table as rupee 12,496. Price of dining table. Price of dining table. 12,496 rupees. Okay, next, and the price of dressing table 7,945 rupees. The total means what you have to do? You have to do the sum here. Total means sum. How much left means subtraction. Subtraction you have to do. Okay, here you have to do the sum here. What you will get? Total they are asking. 6 plus 5 11. 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14. 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 1 14. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 1 10. 1 plus 1 2. 20,441 rupees. So to do this sum here. 20,441. The first option is the correct answer. Here, second option 20,541 rupees. It is the wrong. Third option 20,431 is there. Fourth option 20,331 is there. All except first option, all the three options are wrong. Like this, we have to read the question and solve according to this. Okay. Next, we move to the question. Next question. Okay. The cost of 3 dozen apples is 144. The cost of 3 dozen. First, you should remember 1 dozen is how much quantity? 1 dozen is 12 means 3 dozen, 12 3s are 36 apple. 36 apple. 3 dozen, 36 apples. How much? 144. Cost of 36 apples, 144 rupee. The cost of 3 apples. 3 apples. 3 into 144 divided by 36. 3 ones are 3 12s are 12 ones are 12 ones are 12. 2 remains 12 twos are 12 ones are 12 rupees. For each apple, the cost of each apple 12 rupees. Your first option 48. It is wrong. Second option 12 rupees. Yes, it is the correct answer. Third option 16 rupees. It is also wrong. Fourth option 4 rupees. It is also wrong. Okay, we move to the next question. Question number 15. Let us read the question. A car travels at 75 km per hour. For 1 hour, the car travels 75 km. Then how many kilometers does the same car travel 12 hours? For 12 hours, how much that car travels? They are asking question like this. For 1 hour, car how much it travels? For 1 hour, 75 kilometer. For 1 hour, 75 kilometer. For 12 hours, how much? Question mark, unitary method, cross multiplication. Here 12 into 75 divided by 1. 12 5s are 60. 12 7s are 84. 84 plus 6, 90. 900 kilometer. See, first option is the correct answer. 900 kilometer is there. The second option 75 kilometer is there. So it is wrong. Third option 12 kilometer. It is also wrong. Fourth option 800 km is also wrong. Like this, the questions they will ask in the Genius Award examination. You have to prepare on the basis of these same questions. Okay, for next this type of question you have to contact okay, contact touch with our channel, subscribe our channel. Okay, I will remind you one thing. I will give exercise questions in a exercise question box. The first question, second question, you have to solve it in your book and comment comment in our comment sections. Okay, thank you.